Good morning friends. So today we have reached Zelensea. So Zelensea is a beautiful town in Kaproon area, so which is very famous for skiing resorts. So currently we have got ready, we had our breakfast and we are planning to go to the summit station, so which is the top of Salzburg. The temperature out here is 2 degrees Celsius. It's very cold and but still the climate out here is really very pleasant and we are having a lot of fun. So we are just waiting for the bus to come. So we'll be taking a bus that will take us to the Kaproon base station, and from there we'll be taking a cable car ride and we'll be reaching the top of Salzburg. So I think the Schmittenhorn, that is the top of Summit Station, the name of the Summit Station. So it is, I have heard a lot about it, that it is supposed to be really very beautiful, and it also gives us a 360 panoramic view of the whole of Zelensea, which is surrounded by Alpine mountain. I think this village is worth visiting because the climate is so pleasant, and since it is spring season out here, not much to rain and not too hot, it's really very pleasant climate, and people who love skiing and playing some snow games, so they have to visit this area. So it's really very nice and pleasant. This is the guest house that we are staying. The name of the guest house is Pension Miracle. So normally people, they just hire one big house, and the rates are also very economical, and they also provide breakfast in this guest house. So these are very comfortable stay, and they are really very economical. Waiting for another bus that will take us to the Schmittenhorn. So it is hardly 10 minutes drive from here. So from there we will be taking the cable car ride. So and we will reach the top of Salzburg. So we are just waiting for the bus now. So अभी हम लोग टॉप ऑफ सैल्जबर्ग जा रहे हैं, और आई थिंक इट इज what I think -2 degree out here, and the climate is really very pleasant, not so cold, and you can see those snow mountains. They are so beautiful. It's so breathtaking. Wow, we are entering the snow. I'm so excited. So now we are entering the Schmittenhorn. So and we are very excited to see the top of Salzburg. So earlier we had been to Mount Etlis, so that was also a very pleasant stay, and this is again a different experience altogether. I think the ice is melting out here, but still the ice should be 5 centimeters of thickness, and just see those mountains, they are so beautiful. Wow, they are so beautiful. I think this is more beautiful than Switzerland, but I feel this is less explored by people, right? because not much people come here.
Only
That
more
is
people
the
they come in Switzerland.
yeah, because Switzerland, everybody they go to Switzerland. I think this place is less explored, but it is very beautiful
But
and it is
still-
worth visiting. And the cable car ride is 55 minutes. It takes us to reach to the top of Salzburg, and the ticket rate was 120 euros, 2 adults and 1 child. So that is, I think, quite economical. This place is worth visiting, and everybody should visit this place once in their lifetime. So I will show you that view. It is so beautiful. I think it is filled with ice, है ना?
Yes.
The snow should be 5 to 6 centimeter thick, है ना?
Yes.
So lot,
Wow. So nice.
so beautiful, so stunning.
Yeah. Breathtaking.
Reach the summit.
Yeah, you're right. We have reached now.
No, I think still it should go.
No, we have reached. Yeah, you're right.
I think this is something else. Wow! Just look at that view.
Beautiful.
So beautiful.
Switzerland should be better than that.
I feel we are in heaven, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, you are right. We are coming.
So beautiful! We are so excited!
Of excitement in top of Salzburg.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
So now we will take the chairlift ride. I think we have to change to reach the summit station. Though it is spring season, can you see the quantity of snow out here? I think it's a
Lot of snow.
yeah. I think every summer we visit some snow areas, right? So it's really very relaxing.
I think it's cold countries.
Yeah.
You can see the clouds at the back.
Yes. And it is very fog. What fog I got at?
Yeah.
Because we are on the top, right? Now we are on top of Salzburg. So just see that view, it is so beautiful. And finally, and see this ice. Oh! And I would throw. Take this. Just see that so gorgeous view. So beautiful. लाइफ में और क्या चाहिए? अच्छा माउंटेन्स. बस ये माउंटेन्स देखते देखते ही लाइफ गुजर जाएगा. I feel so blessed that I'm in heaven. Oh, the ice is slippery. You need to be careful. Adu, don't go there. So beautiful. See that stunning view, man. And now we have to go on that chairlift to reach the summit station. So people are skiing out here because this quantity of snow is perfect for skiing. So this is really heaven. It's so beautiful and breathtaking. I think our last visit to Mount Itlis, we couldn't find so much snow, but here the the quantity of snow is very much. This is heaven. This ice, it's so fresh and clean, and it's really maintained very well. Now we have reached the Alpi Center and it's snowing here.
And we have lots of fun. What fog है ना?
And which in this Alpi Center, it is 2000 meters height, and now we'll be taking another cable car ride to reach the top of Salzburg, and which is still going to be thrilling and fun. Now we are sitting on the chairlift.
Oh, it's so much fun.
Yeah.
It seems like it's
My God! And we are going on top of Salzburg, and this is such a breathtaking view.
so much fun.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Don't look down. Yay!
Salzburg, we are
Salzburg,
coming.
top of Salzburg,
Yay.
we're coming for you.
Yes. This is really beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
है ना?
Safe है यार.
अरे वाह, बहुत क्या कोहरा है.
Actually, this is not so cold, right? यहाँ पर?
It's only 2 degrees Celsius, I think so.
Yeah. But still, it's like very pleasant.
But संभल के हाँ.
Be careful.
Yeah.
कुछ भी नीचे गिरा.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, this is so beautiful.
Actually, cable car ride was a different experience. This is again altogether a different experience.
Yeah.
It's really
Beautiful.
very nice.
Yeah.
Now we are reaching the top of Salzburg.
I think we have almost reached.
No, we have to reach that point.
So now we have reached the top of Salzburg, and it is snowing here, and it's really very pleasant, and the chairlift ride was very adventurous, and that was the first time we had taken a chairlift ride. It was very nice and fantastic, and now we'll be going to the top of Salzburg. So Aditya, are you enjoying?
Yes. So we are now going into the Alpine Center and we're gonna take a cable car and then we are going to top of Salzburg. So come on, let's go.
So now we completed the gondola ride, and now we are going back to the town. So it was a fantastic ride, lovely experience, and I think our bus has come, and just look at those beautiful mountains. They are so beautiful. It was a lifetime experience and unforgettable memories we have with us. So I really feel in heaven that I have visited this place. थोड़ा सा मैंने चिप्स और चिप्स, कुरकुरे और बटर सब रख लिया था. So we just had it, but now we will go and have proper lunch. So it was a lovely experience, thanks to my husband and my son, who really cooperated very well in visiting these places. So it's really an achievement to visit such beautiful places. So Austria is really very beautiful. Now we have come to this Merkur shopping mall in Zelensky village, and we are going to explore some stores inside this mall. But just look at those mountains, so beautiful they are. So Aditya had fun in skiing resort yesterday.
Yes.
अभी हम लोग ऐसी माउंटेन्स की तरफ जा रहे हैं, है ना? यहाँ का मेन व्यू तो माउंटेन ही है
और कुछ ही नहीं.
नहीं, माउंटेन है, we have skiing resorts है. और क्या चाहिए? इधर तो रिलैक्सिंग के लिए आते हैं ना. Just see those beautiful houses. कितना अच्छे से बनाया है. एंड यहाँ पे नाउ इट इज़ द स्प्रिंग सीजन, तो मे बी विंटर्स में यहाँ पे सब स्नो होता होगा. दैट्स वाई यहाँ पे वुडन हाउसेस ही आपको दिखाई देगा, बिकॉज वुडन हाउसेस जो है घर को वार्म रखता है और वो स्नो को भी मतलब स्लो डाउन होने में हेल्प करता है. कैन यू हियर दोज बर्ड्स चिरपिंग? देयर इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल प्राइवेट गार्डन नियर आवर होटल. सो हम लोग इधर आए हैं थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए. सो जस्ट सी द व्यू आउट हियर. कितना सुंदर एंड सो स्टनिंग व्यू. यहाँ पे लाइफ इतना इजी एंड रिलैक्सिंग है, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है यूरोप आके. एंड द पीपल आउट हियर आर आल्सो वेरी फ्रेंडली. कितना पॉजिटिव है. ऐसे जगह में रहना चाहिए, लाइफ वेरी सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा. बट जस्ट सी द व्यू आउट हियर, सच अ स्टनिंग व्यू. बहुत रिफ्रेश हुआ इधर आके एक्चुअली. आई थिंक दिस इज अ प्राइवेट गार्डन तो नॉट मच पीपल कम आउट हियर. जो भी यहाँ पे सामने लोग जो रहते हैं बस वही आते हैं. सो यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा स्ट्रीम भी है. सो बस अभी मुझे यहाँ पे बर्ड्स और स्ट्रीम इसी का आवाज़ आता है. नॉट लाइक इंडिया. इंडिया में तो इतना ट्रैफिक है, हॉकिंग का आवाज़ इससे कहीं गुना बेटर है ये. क्या स्ट्रीम है क्या इधर? स्ट्रीम है ना? नाइस प्लेस ना?
Yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
मेरा हमेशा से एक सपना था कि मेरे घर के पास भी एक स्ट्रीम हो. तो दिस इज़ रियली वेरी नाइस, सो रिफ्रेशिंग. And people out here, they go on a trekking during weekends. So since LMC is surrounded by mountains, it is very famous for trekking and skiing. So lot of skiing resorts are also here. And yesterday when we had been to Kitsinor, हमने देखा भी था यहाँ के जो local people है कितना अच्छे से वो skiing कर रहे थे. ये भी लाइक सिंस चाइल्डहुड उन लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस किया होगा. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. एंड हाइकिंग वगैरह भी बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. सो हम लोग भी कल एक थोड़ा ऐसी फॉरेस्ट ट्रेल्स में गए थे. बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था.
Good morning guys. So we are in ZMC, Austria. As my mom spoke about her full experience in ZMC, I would like to say some most famous sports in Austria, that are ice skating, skiing, paragliding and skating. And skating, so these are the most 5 famous sports in ZMC. So today we are checking out from ZMC and we are going to Innsbruck.
So this is my dream actually, and one day if given a chance, definitely I would like to come and settle in such a place. This is so peaceful, relaxing. I don't have any words to describe this place. So beautiful, so calm. So much of positivity is here. Really very nice. And people out here are very friendly and they are very simple people. Really very nice. It was a lovely experience in ZMC. अभी हम यहाँ पे एक स्टोर में जा रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे कुछ जूस और ब्रेड लेने वाले हैं. बिकॉज अभी हम 1:40 का हमारा ट्रेन है इंसब्रुक के लिए. तो ऑन द वे कुछ लंच वगैरह कर लेते हैं. यहाँ का लोकल्स भी आई थिंक दे ओनली हैव ब्रेड. या तो उन लोगों को खाना बनाना नहीं आता, बहुत टेस्टलेस फूड खाते हैं. बट इन वन वे इट इज़ रियली वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. दे डोंट टेक मच ऑफ शुगर, नो मिल्क, नो फैट कंटेंट. तो सिर्फ ब्रेड ज़्यादा खाते हैं लोग. तो वन वे वो अच्छा है हेल्थ के लिए. बट हम लोग देसी लोग हैं, हमें देसी खाना बहुत पसंद है. बट यू डू हैव लॉट ऑफ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स एवरीवेयर. ZMC में भी हमें एक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट मिला था, तो हमें खाने का कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ इधर. और वैसे भी मैं मैगी वगैरह लेके आती हूँ जब भी मैं यूरोप आती हूँ. तो जब भी बाहर कुछ मिला नहीं तो वी जनरली हैव मैगी. So currently we are in ZMC station and today we are leaving ZMC and we are going to Innsbruck. So overall experience in ZMC was wonderful, fantastic, and we had a great time here in ZMC. So the hotel was also very comfortable and the people were really very friendly and warm. So overall it was a very great experience staying in ZMC. So now we are leaving for Innsbruck and we are going to explore the city.